Okay, today I'm going to be cleaning my car using the Rug Doctor machine, which you can see here. So I've already set it up. What I had to do was I've got this Rug Doctor carpet detergent, and I've put that and some hot water into the bottom bit here. I've got the hand tool, which I've screwed into the back there. I was a bit worried about doing it properly because it looked a bit technical, but I've managed to do it. And now all I've got to do is get started. I'm a little bit nervous because I've used Rug Doctor on carpets at home, but I've never used it in the car. I didn't realize you could do that. And it is obviously quite a big thing to be using. And my car's quite big and don't really clean my car at all. But I'm hopeful that it's going to go well, and we'll see how it goes. Let's get started. So I'm just finishing up doing the car now. It's taken us about 10 minutes. It's a lot cleaner in here, and hopefully it'll be done in seconds. Okay, so we've just finished cleaning it. It took us about 10 minutes in total. So before we had to start, we hoovered it, and then it was full of all sorts of the kids' disgusting sweets and filthy boot marks and stuff. And it's looking loads better now. And it's really nice when you're using it. You can see all the dirt and grossness going back up into the machine, which I really liked, although it does kind of bother me how filthy our car was. At least I know it's clean now. If you're going to come and have a look, you'll see, obviously it's still got to dry a bit, but it's looking a lot cleaner now. And if you look at my blog, you'll be able to see some before pictures as well. But overall, yeah, we've done a great job, and I'm really pleased with the difference that hiring the Rug Doctor has made to our car.